Hello. In this video we're going to do an origami based problem. This is one of my favorite math problems, and in a moment what we're going to do is we're going to do some folding on a square piece of paper, and then you're going to find all the angles without any aids. And that's the important point with this problem. We're going to do some folds, we're going to have some shapes on a piece of paper, and you can't use any aids, no protractors, rulers, anything like that. You have to do it with just the paper and some logical thinking. Now, I said this is one of my favorite problems, and the reason is that in my experiences, I can give this to PhD physicists and grade 7 students, and the grade 7 students are just as likely to get it. And in my experience, they are more often than not will get it before the PhD student. Anyways, so here's what we're going to do. So you have a square piece of paper. You'll notice mine is green on one side and it's clear, it's white on the other. It doesn't really matter. And step one is you're going to take that piece of paper, that focus, and you're going to fold it in half, just like this. Now you want to try and be as precise as possible, so take your time, don't rush. Make a nice crisp crease. Okay, and then you're going to open that back up, and you're going to get that nice center line. Now, you could do this with a pen. I'm going to do this with a bit thicker marker so it's easier to see, but this is my center line right there. I would recommend using a red pen or a black pen when you do that. Next step is you're going to take the bottom left-hand corner, and you're going to, don't crease it right away, but you're going to kind of move it so that it's on that center line. And then what you need to do is kind of get it just right so that you have the line running right to the bottom right-hand corner. If you get it right, you just kind of fold that down just like that. Once you have it, crease it. Now, it's hard to get this just right. So what I want to say, for the purpose of our exercise, imagine that this curve, this point here is perfect. Okay? And that's really important with any creases we make here. Okay? The next step is we're going to take the top right-hand side, and we're going to, that top right-hand corner, and we're going to actually fold it down to the same spot where the bottom left-hand corner went. And then once you get this right, you're going to fold this just like this. Okay, and again, we're going to imagine that this has come to a perfect point here. All right. So what you should have then is you'll have this nice little cone. Well, it looks like an ice cream cone kind of now. But you have this white triangle on the top, and you're going to take it and you're going to fold it over snug right along that line, just like that. And so what you should end up with is this triangle. So you see I have a triangle there now? So now once you've done those, what you do is you open this right up. There we go. And you'll notice you have a triangle on the sheet. So what I recommend now is to get a ruler and a pen. Again, I'm using a thicker marker so it's easier for you to see, and you want to trace out that triangle. So I'm going to trace right up to there. I'm just going to trace along here. I'm going to trace all the way along to here. And so here is the challenge. Without any aids, so no protractors, no rulers, anything like that, you need to figure out every single angle on this diagram. So we know this starts as a square. You need to tell me what the angle is here, 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 there and there, here, here, here. Okay? And in the next couple of videos, we're going to be using this and kind of exploring some ideas that deal with similar triangles, trigonometry, all sorts of interesting stuff. Good luck.